Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of one of the most versatile vegetables on the planet, the potato. Often relegated to the side of our plates, this humble root vegetable has a fascinating story to tell. From its ancient origins in the Andes Mountains to its journey across the globe, the potato has played a pivotal role in shaping civilizations and sustaining populations. Join us as we unearth some amazing facts about the potato that might just change the way you view this culinary staple. In the realm of scientific exploration, few frontiers are as captivating as the vast expanse of space. The mysteries it holds and the challenges it presents have always pushed humanity to its limits, inspiring countless innovations and discoveries. And it was here, in the controlled environment of the Space Shuttle Columbia, that the potato achieved a remarkable feat, becoming the first vegetable to be grown in space. This milestone was not just a triumph for botany but also a significant step forward for space exploration and the future of long-term space missions. In 1995, NASA, in collaboration with the University of Wisconsin, embarked on an ambitious experiment to cultivate potatoes in microgravity. This groundbreaking project aimed to understand how plants could grow and thrive in the unique conditions of space, which would be crucial for sustaining human life on long-duration missions. The chosen variety, aptly named the spunta, was carefully selected for its resilience and adaptability. These characteristics made it an ideal candidate for the harsh and unpredictable environment of space, where traditional farming methods are impossible. Housed within a specialized chamber called the astroculture, the potato plants were nurtured with a precise blend of nutrients, light, and carbon dioxide. This controlled environment mimicked the conditions necessary for plant growth on Earth, yet adapted to the microgravity of space. Over the course of the mission, the astronauts meticulously monitored the plant's growth, capturing images and recording data that would prove invaluable to scientists back on Earth. Their observations provided critical insights into how plants respond to the absence of gravity, which could inform future agricultural practices both in space and on Earth. The experiment was a resounding success, demonstrating the potential for growing food in space and paving the way for future advancements in space agriculture. This achievement not only highlighted the ingenuity and perseverance of the scientists and astronauts involved, but also opened up new possibilities for sustaining human life beyond our planet. The success of the spunta potato in space is a testament to the boundless potential of human innovation and the exciting future of space exploration. Venture into any grocery store and you'll likely encounter a colorful array of potatoes, each with its own unique shape, size, and texture. From the ubiquitous russet, prized for its fluffy interior, to the creamy Yukon Gold with its buttery flavor, the diversity of potatoes is truly astounding. There are over 4,000 varieties of potatoes found across the globe, each adapted to thrive in specific climates and soil conditions. Some, like the fingerling potatoes, are small and elongated, perfect for roasting whole, while others, like the starchy russets, are ideal for mashing and baking. This incredible diversity is a testament to the potato's adaptability and its enduring importance as a global food source. Chapter 3. A Watery Secret. Beneath the unassuming exterior of a potato lies a surprising secret: its high water content. Believe it or not, potatoes are approximately 80% water, a fact that plays a crucial role in their cooking properties. This high water content contributes to the potato's versatility in the kitchen. When boiled, the water within the potato heats up, causing the starch granules to swell and gelatinize, resulting in a fluffy texture. When fried, the water evaporates, creating a crispy exterior while maintaining a soft, fluffy interior. Understanding the role of water in potato cookery allows us to manipulate cooking methods to achieve the desired texture and flavor. Chapter 4. A Spud of Epic Proportions. In the annals of horticultural history, there are tales of extraordinary specimens that defy expectations and push the boundaries of what we believe is possible. And in the world of potatoes, one such tale revolves around a colossal spud that left the world astounded and became a symbol of agricultural marvel. In 2011, a farmer in England named Peter Glazebrook unearthed a potato of truly epic proportions, a discovery that would etch his name in the annals of farming history. Weighing in at a staggering 18 pounds 4 ounces, this behemoth of a spud shattered the previous world record, and earned its place in the Guinness Book of World Records, a feat that astonished both experts and laypeople alike. Glazebrook, a seasoned grower with a passion for supersized vegetables, attributed his success to a combination of factors, including meticulous soil preparation, optimal growing conditions, and a healthy dose of luck. His dedication and expertise in the field of horticulture were evident in every aspect of his farming practice. The record-breaking potato, a testament to the boundless potential of nature, captured the imagination of people worldwide. It reminded us that even the most ordinary of vegetables can hold extraordinary surprises, inspiring a sense of wonder and curiosity about the natural world and its limitless possibilities. Chapter 5. Powering the Future with Potatoes. Beyond their culinary versatility, potatoes possess a hidden talent: the ability to generate electricity. This fascinating capability opens up new avenues for sustainable energy solutions. This remarkable feat is made possible by the potato's internal structure and its abundance of electrolytes. The unique composition of the potato makes it an ideal candidate for generating power. Within the potato's flesh lies a network of cells containing dissolved salts which act as electrolytes, capable of conducting electricity. These electrolytes are essential for the flow of electrical current. By inserting two different metal electrodes, such as copper and zinc, into a potato, we can create a simple battery. The interaction between the metals and the potato's electrolytes generates an electric charge. The potato acts as an electrolyte bridge, allowing electrons to flow between the electrodes, generating a small electrical current. This process is a basic demonstration of electrochemical principles. This principle, known as the potato battery, has been used to power small devices like LED lights and clocks, demonstrating the potential for harnessing energy from unexpected sources. It also serves as an educational tool, inspiring students to explore the wonders of science and renewable energy. Outro: the end of our spudtacular journey. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about these amazing potato facts, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating content. From its extraterrestrial adventures to its hidden electrical powers, the potato has proven to be a vegetable of endless wonder. So, next time you encounter this humble spud, take a moment to appreciate its remarkable journey and the vital role it plays in sustaining our world. See you next time.